Hello, Tabarkadas! Good day! And of course, together with us is Sir Christian from our family, Philippine Airlines family. Sir, magandang hapon. And of course, sa lahat ng Tabarkadas natin na nanonood kung saan man po kayong lupalop ng mundo, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, and of course, magandang gabi. And of course, to start the question, wow, parang Q&A na to, sir.
Alam ko, beauty pageant.
Beauty pageant. Handa ka na ba, sir?
Sige, let's go.
So, maraming pong OFW at travelers ang natuwa, of course, sa announcement natin, no?
Okay.
But then, magsa-start yung ating flight or available flights ng Philippine Airlines will be this coming October.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So, during the temporary suspension dahil sa geopolitical situation,
Okay.
ano po ang biggest challenge na hinarap ng Philippine Airlines?
Well, of course, hindi natin na-expect yung pangyayari. Medyo, syempre, maraming nagulat. At
Yes.
isa sa medyo naapektuhan is yung travel natin papuntang Pilipinas. And I would say the biggest challenge would be, of course, the profit, yung cash flow natin. Syempre, napila yung travel natin, so hindi tayo nag-operate, temporary suspended tayo. So yun siguro yung pinaka matinding challenge. Pero syempre, yung team namin is very proactive. So hindi pa rin naman tayo nawawalan ng business. Somehow, meron tayong mga na-generate na flow ng movements coming from Manila to other international destinations.
Yes.
Kasi ang Philippine Airlines, di lang naman to Philippines nagpa-fly.
Yes.
So it's a global flight operation. So we have businesses coming from Manila to Bangkok, to Singapore, to US, like
Yes.
that. So, yung mga marine movements natin, yung mga sea crew natin, so we are getting a lot of business coming from them. And there are also yung mga OFW dito. Syempre, mahal natin yung mga kamag-anak
Yes.
natin. So, sometimes we provide for our family's vacation. So, nagbubook sila through here, Manila to anywhere, to domestic or to international destinations as a gift. So, kahit hindi dito nag-originate yung flight from Dubai to Philippines. So, from Manila and beyond, nakakuha naman tayo ng mga
Madami
business.
namang passengers. Yes.
Yes.
Oo, tested din po ako nun. Kasi umuwi ako, just to share it, umuwi ako last month lang. Ang dami ding flight ng Philippine Airlines,
Yes.
pero into other international flights. Yun lang, dun sa mga tabirkadas natin na gusto ng 46 kg baggage, nawalan sila ng chance nun kasi si pa lang yung nag-offer ng ganong
Yes,
kalaking
yes,
baggage.
yes.
Of course, so let's proceed to others, sir. Paano nyo tiniyak yung safety ng passengers at crew habang may uncertainty sa region?
Okay. So, i-align natin dun sa ating
Yes.
tagline na the heart of the Filipino.
Yes.
No, so ang pinaka first priority talaga natin is safety ng mga pasahero. So, syempre mahirap tanggapin na wala tayong flight, but of course we have to give them a better understanding na it's about the safety.
Yes.
We protect everybody's safety and security ng mga pasahero. At ang unang-unang ginagawa po natin dito is yung mga naapektuhan ng flight. Nag-release kami ng handling guidelines to be aware para matulungan natin ating mga kababayan. So unang-una is yung first procedure is nire-protect namin sila on next available flight. So kung nga rin mag-ooperate kami on that certain period, first in priority yung mga naapektuhan. So, nire-protect sila sa availability ng flight. So, ngayon, if ang passenger is hindi sila sang-ayon or they won't accept the new schedule, so we have the option to rebook accordingly, within 60 days, dun sa preferred date nila of travel. And other than that, since medyo tumagal yung ating flight cancellation,
Yes.
so binibigyan na namin sila ng option to convert their travel into travel credits. So ang maganda sa travel credits kasi within 1 year, pwede nilang gamitin yung ticket ulit
yan.
nila with 20% bonus pa.
Alright.
So ibig sabihin, nadagdagan yung amount ng binayad nila kasi may 20% bonus. So kung gagamitin nila to on high season na mas mataas ang fare, so konti na lang siguro dadagdag nila or most likely wala na. Kasi nga may 20% na increase doon sa amount
na na-credit sa
na-credit
kanila.
na nila.
Alright.
And of course, kapag hindi talaga kaya at gusto na nilang mag-refund, hinahayaan na namin na ganun yung sitwasyon. So anyway, we waive all the penalties. This is how we value our customers and yung mga travel trade partners natin na sumusuporta sa atin.
Alright.
So yun. So we support them in waiving the penalties and also to give them the ease and comfort to either rebook, convert to travel credits, or to refund the tickets.
All right.
Yes.
So, sir, in connection with that total credit dun sa certain passenger, is it transferable? Kunwari, nag-book po ako para sa kapatid ko.
Okay.
And then, yung ticket na yun is under sa kanya.
Yes.
So, ayaw niya nang mag-flight.
Okay.
Kumbaga, next year na lang.
Okay.
Or ayaw niya na munang
Okay.
gamitin yun.
Oo.
So,
Yeah.
ibibigay niya sa akin yun. Is it possible?
Apparently, by the market practice, hindi siya talaga inaalaw.
Okay.
Like transfer of ticket. I'm sure other airlines are also following the
Yes.
same procedure. So kung sino lang yung originally nag-book according to the passport, yung name ng pasahero,
Sa kanya lang.
sa kanya lang.
Yes. So, at least nalinawan yung mga taberkadas natin kasi there are a lot of passengers or there are a lot of clients na gusto nilang ibigay sa kaibigan nila or sa other na kamag-anak nila na gustong lumipad or gamitin yung ticket nung existing na credit limit
Yes.
niya. So, yun. At least clear po yun sa lahat ng taberkadas natin na all the tickets are not transferable.
Yes.
Yes. And of course, sir, so for travelers na medyo hesitant pa rin, ano po ang masasabi ninyo regarding the safety measures ngayon?
I would say, siguro, pinaka-advice ko is, huwag na kayo mag-hesitate. Kasi napakaganda ng Dubai at napaka-safe. We all have the latest advancement, technological advancement measures, and talagang pinoprotektahan tayo ng UAE government. And syempre, welfare and safety ng mga tao ang laging priority number 1. So, like tayo, matagal na tayo dito sa UAE. Like me, I was here since 2008.
Oh,
And I
tagal.
never felt na talagang delikado na or something na ganyan. Kasi we always get the assurance. So makikita naman natin sa mga credible news na talagang they are doing their best effort para protektahan tayo, para tulungan tayo. So we don't feel na kailangan mo mag-hesitate or for some reason.
Yes.
Ito nga yung magandang opportunity to travel eh.
Yes.
Ito yung parang perfect time to travel kasi maluwag eh. Maluwag eh. Let's
Yes.
go. Let's travel. Let's start now. Parang ganoon. Mura yung mga hotels yata.
Yes.
Yan, if I'm not mistaken, right? So bring your family. Travel. Balik ulit ka dito. Yung mga umuwi. Balik ulit kayo dito.
Yes.
And we have a good life here in UAE.
UAE. Oo, grabe yung safety nila.
Yes.
No? And then every now and then if makikita ng mga ibang taberkadas natin, may helicopter pa na may police
Oo.
na naka
Yes. And even on the roads, may mga nagpapatrol dyan.
Oo. So very 100% naka-monitor talaga yung mga police natin
Correct.
dito sa UAE.
Yes.
And we are really grateful to be here. And of course, maraming salamat sa UAE government. Was siningit na yun.
And very diplomatic ang UAE government. Wala tayong kaaway eh. Walang kaaway ang UAE. So very diplomatic. Yung approach nila is very, very professional and diplomatic. So, yun.
Okay, so proceed tayo sa next. May changes po ba sa flight routes, schedules, or travel procedures compared before the suspension?
Okay. So, before the suspension, yung changes. So, aside from totally zero wala
Yes.
talaga tayong flight, no? So, from Dubai, between Dubai and Philippines, totally zero. Hindi talaga tayo nagfa-fly. So, maraming factors. Yung, of course, yung airspace, sarado, ganyan. So, yung fuel cost, taas, ganyan. So, anyway, since our recent announcement na mag-start na tayo effective October 2, yung flight operation natin, nag-reduce lang kami ng frequency. So, instead of flying daily, so from October 2 till October 24, magiging 4 times in a week tayo.
Wow.
So, we will be flying Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday.
Okay.
And after 24th. So from 25 October onwards, magiging daily flight na ulit tayo.
Daily.
Yes,
Okay.
between Dubai and Philippines.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. That's great, sir. So, sa lahat ng taberkadas natin na gustong mag-check na ng kanilang flights this coming October, please don't hesitate to message us now. Paunahan ulit yan. Okay? So, again, alam naman natin na malaking market ng PAL ang OFWs sa UAE. Ano po ang message ninyo sa ating mga kababayan na matagal nang naghihintay ng direct flights? Of course, with 46 kg baggage.
Yan talagang inaabangan.
Oo.
So, actually, eto, as an employee of Philippine Airlines representing Dubai and Northern Emirates, and as a passenger na rin, kaisa nyo ako na sobrang na-excite at napaproud na babalik na tayo ulit ng ating flight dito sa UAE from October 2. So, ang i-advise ko is grab the opportunity kasi meron tayong promotional fares out in the market ngayon. So, valid lang ito hanggang July 10 selling. For travel, October 2 onwards.
Okay.
So, available yan. Mag-book lang kayo through Tabi Air Tours. So, para mabigyan kayo ng magandang quotation at makuha nyo yung mga promotional rates ng Philippine Airlines. So, again, limited time offer lang to hanggang July 10. Like introductory. So, we wanted to connect again with you and, of course, to cater our flight back in the UAE.
Yes.
October 2. And mag-book na kayo, use our promotional fares.
Alright. Sa lahat ng taberkadas natin, no, most especially mga OFWs,
Yes.
na madaming gustong dalhin para sa kanilang mahal sa buhay sa Philippines.
Yes,
With
yes.
46 kg yan, taberkadas, of course. So, ano po ang benefits ng pagpili ng Philippine Airlines compared to other airlines flying this route?
Actually, unang-unang benefit, I would say, is being a Filipino. We will be proud of flying our own flag. So, since Philippine Airlines is the flag carrier of the Filipinos, so bringing Philippine Airlines back here in the UAE is like bringing the whole Philippines back with us. So, parang nilapit sa atin yung Pilipinas eh, 'di ba? Yung mga mahal natin sa buhay, mabibisita na natin ulit. And of course, marami tayong magdala ng mga pasalubong sa kanila. So, we are providing the most generous baggage allowance and a direct flight to Philippines, catering 23 plus 23 kilos, a total of 46 kilos baggage allowance on economy class. And kung gusto pa bang medyo mag-upgrade, you can add up to 2 more additional baggage of 23 plus 23 again. So, para may 4 piece.
Laki na
nasa
nun.
sa inyo na yun.
Oo.
Dalhin nyo na lahat.
Baka nag-for good na.
Yes, yes.
Ang laki na masyado.
Exactly. And not only for economy class, yung business class passengers naman natin, 32 plus 32 kilos naman yun. Total of 64 kilos baggage allowance. Yeah.
So, sir, in connection with that baggage na na-mention nyo, yung 2-piece na tig 23 kg,
Yes.
possible po ba, ito kasi most of our clients or most of our taberkadas were
Yes.
confused kung pwede daw po ba yung 46 kg is hatiin ng first bag is 32 or first bag is 40, then the rest is the other bag.
Apparently, naka-restrict tayo sa per piece concept.
Okay.
Yes. Kasi currently, yun talaga yung permit na kuha natin na yung baggage allowance natin will increase but we have to stick on per piece concept. So, 23 is the maximum of each luggage.
Okay.
So, total of 2 piece of baggage, 23 plus 23. Yun talaga yan. So, example, bigyan ng example. Kung si pasero mag-uwi ng TV,
Yeah.
TV natin, para bigyan na rin natin ng kaalaman.
Opo.
Maximum size ng TV na pwede natin dalhin is 55 inches. Yes. Original box, wag nyo nang i-wrap and hindi rin tayo pwede mag-attach ng kung ano-ano kasi baka
Okay.
mamaya yung iba lalagyan ng dilata or something. Bawal yun. Bawal yun. So, original box, yung original TV lang yung nasa loob, it's already considered one piece. So,
Okay.
regardless of the size.
Kahit
Kahit na
na
17 kilos lang yan, ganyan. So,
Oh.
considered as one piece na yun. So,
Okay.
another piece they can bring for a maximum of 23 kilos.
23,
Ganun. Hindi nila pwede
alright.
carry over doon sa kabila yung remaining na kilos na wala doon.
Okay. So again, just to clear up, sa lahat ng taberkadas natin na kunwari may dalang television, kahit na yung television nyo is only 11 kg or 17 kg man yan, considered as one piece na siya.
Yes.
So bawas na yun siya sa inyong 46 kg which is may matitira sa inyong 23 na lang na one piece.
Oo, yes.
Alright? Okay. So, at least clear yun sa lahat ng taberkadas natin, no? Syempre,
Kung gusto nila magdala ng one piece lang, okay lang naman as long as hindi lalagpas ng 23 kilos.
alright.
Yes.
Okay. Kasi madaming, madaming passenger natin din na curious about dun sa additional baggage din, yun na mention mo
Okay.
kanina.
Yes.
So, if mag-a-add sila ng, di ba meron na po kaming existing na 46,
Okay.
gusto namin mag-add ng additional 10 kg, possible po yun.
On our district is additional piece. So, 23 kilos for
23 talaga.
international. Yes.
So,
23.
total of meron ka ng, ilan yun?
46 plus 23.
Plus 23, meron kang 69.
69. Yes.
Okay na yun. Okay na yun, taberkadas. Ang
Sobrang
dami mo
dami
nang,
na.
oo, sobrang dami na. The rest, kung gusto mo pa magdala ng mas madami, pwede ka nang magpabagahin na, diba? Ang dami na nun. But anyhow, hindi natin masisi. Ang daming taberkadas na gustong, alam mo na, madaming pasalubong ang...
Likas yan sa mga Pilipino.
Oo,
Yung
mapagbigay
mga
kasi
pagbigay
talaga tayo, sir.
Yes.
Gusto lahat na bibigyan.
Yes.
Isa-isa pa yan.
Hindi pwedeng maiiyak.
Oo, lalo na
Meron.
kahit napamangkin mo sa pinsan.
Exactly. Kahit kapitbahay.
Oo,
Lahat yan.
Nako. Anyhow, so, yun taberkadas. So, sa lahat ng merong 46 kg baggage na, pwede lang po kayong mag-add ng at least 1 piece or 2 piece.
2 piece maximum.
Na tig 23 kg.
Yes.
Hindi pwede ang 10, hindi pwede ang 15 kg. Okay? So, okay.
Although may excess baggage naman tayo, mga 10 kilos na ganyan. Sa airport na yan.
Sa airport
pinasettle.
na, ang mahal na
Yes,
nun.
yes.
Oo. So, parang ang iba nga, sir, yung charge na is nasa USD na, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo. Pero conversion na yon or
oo.
depende sa currency kung saang country sila. Oo. But anyhow, kung gusto nyo mas makatipid, mag-add na lang kayo ng 1 piece na 23 para meron kayong total na 69.
Or para less hassle, stick to the...
Stick to the, doon
para
na
hindi
lang.
na kayo ka-questionin sa airport.
Sa airport, yes.
Ayan, may mga third party, tayo doon, ground handling facilities. So, sila yung mag-check, yung mag-weigh niyan. So, syempre, they follow the procedure.
Yes.
They may be very, very strict. So, maximum of 23 plus 23 yung natin. Preferred talaga na kailangan dalhin.
Okay,
Yes.
so thank you for that, sir. And of course, as a travel agency, gusto naming malaman paano po makakatulong ang partnership ng Philippine Airlines at travel
Okay.
agencies tulad ni, of course, us, ni Tabir Tours, para maging seamless
Okay.
ang travel experience ng lahat ng taberkadas natin.
Okay. Actually, eto, inuumpisahan nyo na. Eto, nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong
Podcast.
pag-uusap.
Tabir Talks
Sasabihin ko sana pagpupulong. Nakakatanda naman masyado yung pagpupulong. So, pag-uusap, nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong liwanagan. So, yung mga common concerns ng mga tao na address natin and nagkakaroon ng credibility and accuracy sa mga information. Kasi directly, yung airline mismo ang kinakausap nyo. So, nai-ease yung mga isipin ng mga tao, yung mga doubts na susolusyonan natin, yung mga iniisip nila. So, at least meron tayong mga nakukuhang mga followers nyo, mga views nyo na mas lalo pang naiintindihan yung procedure, yung pasikot-sikot sa airline pagdating sa Philippine Airlines, travel to Philippines and back here in the UAE.
Yes, of course. Andyan palagi si Tabir Tours to
Of
monitor
course.
their flights. Diba? To update kung ano yung mga status ng mga flights ng taberkadas natin.
Yes.
Most especially for your upcoming travel this October onwards.
Yes.
So sa upcoming promotion, sir, and seat sales, there are exciting offers ba na dapat abangan ng mga passengers?
Actually, it's live now. Since the release of our announcement last June 29 for our flight resumption on October 2.
Yes.
Back to back, we have released also the promotional fares in the market. So everybody can benefit on this. So round trip from Dubai to Manila, as low as 1,200 dirhams, plus minimal taxes, of course.
Okay.
So, inclusive na to, nang nabanggit natin kanina na 46 kilos. And from Manila to Dubai naman, round trip, as low as 400 US dollars.
Okay.
Yeah, so convert na lang into peso.
Convert na lang
Yeah.
nila. Kung saan man sila.
Plus taxes again, these are only base fare kasi nagbabari yung mga taxes natin. Yung taxes natin, iba-iba yan. May mga fuel surcharge, may mga airport taxes, ganyan-ganyan. So naka-add na yun lahat, nag-iiba-iba siya. Kaya
Alright.
most of the time, kasi ibang mga tao, sinasabi, uy, scam yan, binabanggit, presyo, ganyan lang, ganyan, base fare.
Base fare yun.
Base fare. Base fare
Wala
plus
pang
taxes.
tax.
Yes,
May
base fare kasi
taxes pa
medyo
yun.
standard tayo dyan. Hindi yan magbabago unless
Alam mo
we
naman
announce
yung
it.
mga Filipino, di ba, sir?
Correct.
Pag sinabi mo yung amount na yun,
Mahirap
akala
magkamali
nila-
pag Pilipino.
Kaya
Mahirap.
nga, oo, di ba? So, meron pa po yung mga taxes, taberkadas.
Yes,
Oo. So, hindi naman mawawala yun. Alangan
Yes.
naman saan kukunin yung ibang...
Correct.
di ba? So, it's mandatory sa lahat ng airlines po na merong base fare plus there will be a taxes.
Yes.
But rest assured that Philippine Airlines is meron pong available promotion sa ngayon.
Oh, wide open yan. October
Yes, oo.
onwards. Wide
So,
open.
paunahan na yan. So,
Yes.
mag-check na kayo, taberkadas. So, for us to check it as well, pwede na kayo mag-drop ng inyong mga preferred travel date starting October 2 onwards.
Yes.
Alright? So, ano po ang vision ng Philippine Airlines for the UAE market in the coming months? May plans po ba to increase flight frequency?
Okay. So, as we mentioned, mag-start muna kami into 4 flights in a week. Then eventually, we will increase into a daily. Which is yun naman talaga
Same
yung,
before.
schedule natin. And other than that, maybe we will expand our partnership. Of course, we will tap collaborations with known either communities or corporates like that para ma-anticipate natin yung mga movements ng mga Filipinos, and not only for Filipinos, of course, all nationalities are welcome to travel
Yes.
to Philippines via Philippine Airlines. So yun yung mga plans natin to expand, to strengthen the existing relationship, reconnect with you, hindi naman nawala.
Yes,
So maybe this time it will be better and stronger and
Yes.
strengthen the partnership. Yan.
Okay. So, bukod sa Dubai, sir, may possibility ba na makakita tayo ng expansion sa ibang destination dito sa Middle East?
Well, currently, we are flying from Dubai, Doha, and Riyadh.
Alright.
Further than that, we don't receive yet unofficial information about it, but I'm sure it will be on a pipeline. Of course, our goal is to expand, to continue our expansion, to reach potential passengers everywhere around the world. So, yun naman ang ating aim at goal.
Oo.
Yeah.
Of course, Philippine Airlines na yan eh.
Yes.
Saan pa sila?
Yes.
Okay, kung bibigyan ninyo ng isang reason ang audience kung bakit ngayon ang perfect time to visit Philippines or bumalik sa Dubai via Philippine Airlines, ano po yun?
Actually, let me correct on that. Hindi lang ngayon.
Oo.
Kahapon, ngayon, bukas, at sa mga susunod na araw, every day is a perfect opportunity to travel to Philippines.
Yes.
Kasi as an OFW, lahat na siguro ng mga okasyon, binibigyan natin ng halaga. Hindi lang Pasko, hindi lang graduation, kahit mga birthdays, di ba? Umuwi tayo minsan because that person in the Philippines is very special to us.
Yes.
Whether lola mo yan, tito, kapatid, kamag-anak, kaibigan, best friend, di ba? Umuwi tayo to surprise them,
Yes.
to give them the value. Ganun. So, as an OFW, when is the perfect time to travel to Philippines? Every day.
Every day. Wow,
Yes.
gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun, sir. Every day is the perfect time to go home
Yes.
and to come back here in Dubai.
Yes.
Yes. And of course, sir, in one sentence, paano nyo po mailalarawan si Philippine Airlines
Any mga-
or ang pagbabalik ng Philippine Airlines sa Dubai?
Ano, sabi ko mga pang-beauty question.
Ito na. Napagandaan mo to, sir.
One sentence, ha?
One sentence
One
lang.
sentence lang.
Apo.
Siguro i-align ko na lang dun sa latest namin na announcement na Hello Again Dubai.
Ay, parang hello, love, good.
Hello Again Dubai. You know, it's very simple words, no? Pero kung titingin mo sa nanggaling yan, yung salitang hello, 1800s pa ginagamit
Yes,
yan. Akala mo hindi alam yung tanong, ano? Pinaghandaan eh.
Hello.
So hindi hello love again, hindi yun, ha?
opo.
Which is pinagkakaguluhan talaga, love story, no? So
Yes.
ang Philippine Airlines ganun din, inaabangan, pinagkakaguluhan kasi atin to sariling atin
Yes.
ito. So mabalik tayo, yung salitang hello kasi ginagamit na to nung 1800s pa. halu, to grab the attention.
Okay.
Parang to call someone to grab attention. So, ginagamit natin siya to grab attention again of the community na, hello, we're back. But not just that. Nung later 1900s naman, nung na-invento na yung telepono, so, yung hello is naging sign to signal connection.
Oh.
Na nandyan ka ba? Parang connected na ba tayo? Are you open for communication?
Okay.
So, ginagamit yung sitang hello on both sides.
Yes.
So, hindi lang siya basta to grab attention, to also signal open connection.
Yeah.
So, nandun tayo, yung Philippine Airlines, na we're not only grabbing your attention, but we also wanted to connect again with you.
With everyone.
So, I would say yes. Hello again, Dubai.
Dubai. Wow.
Yeah.
Hello again, Dubai.
Yes.
From Philippine Airlines. Yes. Ang ganda nun, sir.
Oh, thank you. Parang ikaw.
Wow, thank you. Masingit mo yun, sir, ah. Oh, napagandaan ko din to, eh. Okay. So, lastly, ano po ang iyong message sa lahat ng supporters ng Philippine Airlines and of course, sa lahat po ng taberkadas na nanonood ng ating Tabir Talks or podcast natin?
Okay. Kung pwede ko lang isa-isahin talaga yung mga pwedeng pasalamatan, uunahin ko na siguro ang Tabir Tours para sa pagkakataon nito. And yung mga suporta talaga ng mga nag-aabang sa atin, yung mga media at mga vloggers na talagang nag-push talaga ng awareness na sobrang na-excite ng suporta na pagbabalik ng Philippine Airlines sa atin. So bumuhos. And maraming salamat sa inyo at sa mga kaibigan na nag-message na kasi pinost ko rin siya sa social media ko, personal
Okay.
social media. So maraming nag-react, maraming nag-comment, maraming
Finally.
naging happy.
Opo.
At may mga nag-i-inquire na movements. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. So eventually, malapit na. Konti na lang. Pwede nyo nang i-book in advance, October. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat Tabir Tours. And maraming salamat, of course, Philippine Airlines. Napaka-thankful to be part of the company. So, yun siguro. Yun. Thank you.
Yes. And of course, thank you so much, Sir Christian.
Thank you, Nelly.
Sa pag-paunlak ng aming invitasyon para ma-clear up ang lahat ng good news na iyong gustong ibalita sa lahat ng taberkadas natin. And of course, sa lahat ng taberkadas natin na meron pong message or any inquiries, please don't be shy or don't be hesitate to drop your message on our comment box or you can just DM us. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.